Hi guys, are you new to web design? Are you looking for a career in website design or mobile application design? Well, this is the place for you. In this course, we're going to introduce you to the fundamentals of website design. Here you would learn the core concepts of user interface design and user experience design. In this course, we are going to look at the website drafting and wireframes. We'll also cover website analytics and user research analysis. Design fundamentals such as color theory, layout, and typography will also be covered in this course. You will be then introduced to Figma and will learn the basics of Figma for web design, after which we would use Figma to create beautiful website designs and mobile application designs. At the end of this course, you'll be able to create impressive website designs, understand your users, and work with clients. So what are you waiting for? Join me today as we delve into the world of web design.